2-minute article, I would like to talk about an essential security measure that is guarding the walls of cybersecurity empire using the process of sectionalization. Yes, I am talking about network segmentation that is capable of protecting the security posture of any organization. Basically, sectionalization in network segmentation is dividing a network into smaller, multiple and manageable subnetworks that are isolated from each other with unique security policies and controls. Needless to say, it helps the IT security staff to deliver more control over the network traffic. Speaking about the benefits, network segmentation helps in reducing unnecessary traffic in a particular subnetwork, helping with optimized network performance. Due to isolated subnetworks, it reduces the cyber attack surface, reduces the compliance scope, protects the vulnerable devices, and helps in increasing the overall data security. Network segmentation is a boon restricting the lateral cyber attack movement. But with the advancement in this technology, can network segmentation that benefits by ensuring security policies across each isolated subnetwork face issues of complex management? Your answer matters. If you like my articulation, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Minute Article. Next Thursday, I will be back again with some more new insights. This is me, Madhuri Desai, signing off.